In the modern world, artificial intelligence is now an integral part of our daily lives, changing the way we interact with technology and the world around us. Today, we'll show 10 remarkable examples of artificial intelligence in daily life that you surely didn't know about. But before we start, be sure to smash that subscribe button, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get a notification when we update videos like this one. Let's start from number 10. Virtual personal assistants. Virtual personal assistants like Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant have assimilated into modern life. In order to comprehend voice instructions and respond to them, these AI-powered products use machine learning and natural language processing. They have the ability to manage smart home gadgets as well as play music, answer inquiries, and deliver weather information. They continue to get better thanks to user interactions and adjust to people's preferences and speech patterns. These assistants are expected to become progressively more important as they develop, managing activities, providing convenience, and improving technological connections. Number 9. Recommendation systems. AI algorithms are used by recommendation systems to make recommendations for goods, services, or content based on user preferences and behavior. The content you might like is predicted by platforms like Netflix, Amazon, and YouTube based on your past preferences, ratings, and interactions. To deliver individualized recommendations, these systems make use of strategies like collaborative filtering and content-based filtering. Recommendation systems improve user engagement, contentment, and the overall experience by giving users options that are in line with their interests. Number 8. Fraud detection. Data patterns are looked at in AI-driven fraud detection to spot possibly fraudulent actions. Machine learning algorithms can detect suspicious activity and flag it for further investigation by looking at transaction history, user behavior, and deviations from expected patterns. This technology improves security and protects both users and organizations from financial losses by helping financial institutions and enterprises stop unauthorized access, money laundering, and other fraudulent activities. Number 7. Navigation apps. Google Maps and other navigation apps use AI to offer real-time traffic updates, recommend the best routes, and predict arrival times. These apps assist users in efficiently navigating, avoiding traffic, and getting where they need to go faster by analyzing data from multiple sources, including GPS and user reports. Number 6. Language translation. Language translation powered by AI, like Google Translate, breaks down language barriers by converting text or speech from one language to another. These systems learn language details and patterns using neural networks, allowing users to communicate and comprehend content in languages they might not be as acquainted with. Number 5. Healthcare diagnostics. Through the analysis of diagnostic images, including X-rays, MRIs, and CT scans, AI supports healthcare diagnostics. Machine learning models assist clinicians in identifying anomalies through pattern recognition, enabling earlier detection of diseases like cancer. This new technology increases precision, expedites diagnosis, and benefits patients. Number 4. Smart home devices. AI is used by smart home appliances to automate and improve housework. These gadgets adapt to your patterns, from thermostats that remember your preferred temperature settings to security cameras that can tell the difference between people and pets. They improve security, convenience, and energy efficiency, and enable remote control and customization via smartphone apps or voice commands. Number 3. Email filtering. Incoming emails are automatically categorized and prioritized by AI-based email filtering systems. These systems can recognize and direct spam messages to a different folder by examining the content, sender, and user behavior. This keeps the user's primary inbox clear of clutter. This technology enhances email administration and lowers the possibility of falling for phishing or dangerous communications. Number 2. Autonomous vehicles. AI is used by autonomous vehicles, such as self-driving cars, to navigate and drive automatically. They assess their surroundings, identify obstacles, and make decisions about how to drive in real time using sensors, cameras, and machine learning algorithms. This technology seeks to improve traffic safety, lower accident rates, and revolutionize transport in the future. Number 1. Online customer support. AI-powered chatbots that can instantaneously engage with clients, respond to their questions, and offer support around the clock have improved online customer service. Natural language processing is used by these virtual assistants to comprehend user input and provide pertinent solutions. They improve user experiences on websites and applications by streamlining consumer interactions, offering prompt responses, and doing so. That's all for now. I hope you enjoyed the video. Let us know your thoughts in the comments section. See you in the next video. Please subscribe to our channel and click the bell button to receive new updates. Stay tuned.